So perfection. I found it in the box with all the pieces. And we played it probably about 10 times. Nobody can actually get very close. And it's really funny when you give this to a kid or somebody that's never played it and they don't know it's gonna pop. It's absolutely hilarious. Anyway, it won't stay down. And you know, typical problem with these. I think it's a little worn right here. And of course, I'm the type of person that opens this stuff up and tries to fix it. So we're gonna see what I can do. This spring right here is what holds it. And it's kind of weak. It's supposed to hold it over. It's a shame because if it went over just a little bit more, just a little bit more slot over here, it probably would. Just a little bit more to this lever. This lever is rounded, so I need to file it and make it more flat right here. That's what I gotta do. I gotta get a file and flatten it out right here so I can grab Old Perfection, original one in the 80s. Work to this perfection. What happens is this hook right here that gets held, it rounds out. Rounds out, and the hook, it gets, what happens here is it wears off at the end, and then it becomes where it's on an angle, and then it won't. It just slides into a little latch that holds it into place. So every time you try to latch it, it slides right back out because this is on an angle because it's worn. So basically what I'm trying to do is cut some of it off to make it on a reverse angle. Problem is, the plastic after all these years is really frail. It's real frail. It just cuts too easy, so I don't know how long it'll last, and even if it'll work, it might just break. But this is an old one, so it is what it is. I'm gonna try. It stays down. But now, as I noticed when I took it apart, it won't go for the full timer. That spring is very weak, and it wasn't working correctly in the beginning. So now I just need to understand what's going on with that. It won't go all the way to pop it. It's like I need to spin the spring once. And I gotta figure out how to do that. What I did is I spun this wheel around 3 times, getting it past that lever. And I'm starting at that side of the lever because when it comes all the way around, it's gonna hit that side and it pops this up. I spun it around 3 times to tighten the spring up. So I'm gonna try it now. See how it goes crazy? That sucker's moving to see if it works. It might need one less spin. You need to get it in the right position where the timing is. So here's the old original box. And that's some spare pieces. I didn't really know it came with spare pieces. Told you what to do. Funny, I don't remember. No, I had this as a kid, but it's pretty loud. So I fixed this. Stays down nice now. Fixed the timer. It's tight. And I'm not going to deny that probably going to be, it was too tight for my door to spin it anyway. But I got it where I spin it all the way to full timer and it works. So you spin it open it up, spin it 3 times and it tightens it up to get past the original notch. And there you go. Bing. Got past 60. Once you get there, that's it, done. So it came down. There's no way to tweak this because this dial goes in only one way. So you have to, in order to twist this, you got to take this up to get past the notch, the stop. There's a stop inside here. You got to take this. There's 6 little plastic pieces, and you got to push them over with a flathead screwdriver to get inside. Or rather, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got to push them over, then it comes apart. You gotta make sure not to lose the 2 springs that are about here. There's 4 spots for them. One stuck where it was, so I knew where the second one went. This piece right here can go on either way. It can go this way or the other way. And the stop works, so if I want to go like this, it's on stop, see? Move it. No, again, there's no way to change that. That's where it's going to stop. But it pops around here, so that's good. And it's nice and tight, so it's not slowing down, and the speed is right. Do it again. Quick. It's a good prank if you want to play it on somebody, I tell you. If they've never done this and it shoots those pieces up in the air, wow. So I successfully fixed this old toy.